Do it like the zombies do. When the moon is full, no howling. Don't run in the house, no growling. Let's go to the mall, start styling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing this look inspired by Addison from Zombies 2 when she is in the werewolf gown. Put some pictures here. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So first we're going to use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and we're going to put this all over the face. We're then going to use foundation, and the foundation we're going to use is the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation that we always use. This is the shade F2. So for the concealer section, we're going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the shade Marshmallow. I'm just going to do a dot like this. I'm going to add a little bit more just under the eyes, just to brighten a bit, like here. So now we're going to powder. I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Mine, you can barely see the writing on it anymore because I've used it so much. And it does have a little bit of pink on it, but we're just going to avoid the pink part from when we did the devil makeup. Addison doesn't look to have too much like bronzer going on, so we're just going to lightly contour the face using the Revolution Ultra Contour Palette, this one. And we're going to take the shade that I always take, which is this middle one here. We're not taking much of this, we're literally just to the face. I'm going to use the highlight shade in the palette just to highlight the tip of the nose. That's a lot. So now we're going to apply blush, and we are going to use the BH Cosmetics blush in Caribbean Coral, and we're going to focus on the Future shade. So now we're going to do brows. We're going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the shade 5 because it's a bit darker, and her brows are very dark, so... The brows look crazy, but that's how my brows look. We're going to use the ABH Norvina palette, this one, and we're going to use the shade D5, which is this dark blue up here. I'm going to take the same shade under the lower lash line. And then we're going to take the shade C1, which is in this shade here. And this is going to go in the inner corner. Okay, so we're going to add eyeliner. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, and she has a slight wing. Then we're going to add pencil liner to the waterline. Then I'm going to take the highlight from the contour palette again and place it on the brow bone. I'm going to do the other eye and apply lashes. I'm going to apply these Kiss Bustier lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've done the eyes, they're all done. We just need to do the wig and the lip gloss. I'm going to do the lip gloss after I've done the wig because the wig is white and the lip gloss will probably stain it if I get it on. So we'll put the wig on first. So I've got the wig on, which I styled myself. I just front braided the side and then, yeah, did that. So for lips, we're going to use the Revolution Lip Euphoria in the shade, it doesn't have a shade. Oh, Karma. I'm going to add a little bit of the Too Faced Sweet Peach oil on top, just to add a bit more of a glossy tinge. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and comment down below your favourite Zombies character from Zombies 1 or Zombies 2, whichever one you want. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Bye!